BigBeluga's price action smart money concepts indicator is designed to pull the main elements of smart money theory into a single coherent view on your TradingView chart. Instead of juggling multiple tools for structure, liquidity, order blocks, and fair value gaps, this script brings those concepts together and keeps them synchronized with live price action. At the core is the market structure engine. The script tracks swing highs and lows, then labels breaks of structure and changes of character as price moves. That gives you a clear sense of when the trend has simply pulled back and when it has genuinely shifted. If you enable candle coloring, that bias is pushed into the price bars themselves, so bullish and bearish regimes stand out without you having to decode labels. You can control how sensitive this structure is. The swing length input determines how many bars are used to define a pivot, so you can dial the view up for a detailed intraday read or down for a cleaner, higher time frame picture. A window setting limits calculations to recent history, keeping the chart responsive even on instruments with long data series. When mapping is turned on, the indicator draws a simplified path across major pivots, giving you a skeleton of the trend that cuts through noise. On top of that structure, the indicator builds volumetric order blocks. When price drives away from a key zone, the originating candles are boxed as potential demand or supply. Each block has a clear top, bottom, and midline. You can decide how many recent blocks to display, whether to hide overlapping zones, and whether to show volume metrics so that the most active areas stand out immediately. Mitigation is handled automatically. You can specify whether a block is considered mitigated when the close, the wick, or the average of a bar trades back into it. Once mitigation occurs, the zone can convert into a breaker style, signaling that its role in the structure has changed. That makes it easier to separate fresh, untested blocks from those that have already absorbed a round of trading. Fair value gaps are treated in a similar structured way. The script identifies displacement candles that leave an obvious gap, marks those areas as imbalances, and can extend them forward as price trades. Filters allow you to ignore tiny, insignificant gaps. You can choose how many of the latest gaps to display and whether to highlight midlines, so you can judge when an imbalance has been meaningfully filled rather than briefly tapped. Finally, the indicator offers liquidity cues such as equal highs and equal lows, and optional sweep and raid markings, helping you see where stop clusters may sit in relation to the current structure, blocks, and gaps. In practice, you would treat BigBeluga's price action smart money concepts as a framework. It organizes structure, order blocks, fair value gaps, and liquidity into a single visual narrative. You still define your own trade plan and risk management, but the heavy lifting of drawing, updating, and cleaning levels is handled for you, so you can focus on judgment rather than chart annotation.